Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Boss MCQ. Please do learn, like, share, and subscribe. Which of the following parts of a plant cell provide shape and rigidity? A. Protoplasm. B. Nucleus. C. Cell wall. D. Cell membrane. And the answer is C. Cell wall. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? A. Regulation of blood sugar. B. Production of insulin. C. Formation of bile. D. Storage of iron. And the answer is B. Production of insulin. Which of the following biological process describes a fungus growing on the leaves of a living potato plant? A. Predation. B. Parasitism. C. Competition. D. Saprophytism. And the answer is B. Parasitism. Cattle, when a white bull is mated with a red cow, the offspring is roan. This indicates that the gene for white is A. Dominant to that for red. B. Recessive to that for red. C. Codominant with that for red. D. Mutated to show roan. And the answer is C. Codominant with that for red. What would be the ratio of the phenotypes if a roan bull and a roan cow from the offspring referred in the question above are mated? A. 1 red, 2 roan, 1 white. B. 2 red, 1 roan, 1 white. C. 1 red, 1 roan, 2 white. D. 1 red, 1 white. And the answer is A. 1 red, 2 roan, 1 white. Which of the following is true about insect-pollinated flowers? A. Produce small, smooth pollen. B. Have small greenish bracts. C. Stigma and pollen grain are often sticky. D. Filaments are flexible and anthers loosely attached. The answer is C. Stigma and pollen grain are often sticky. while analyzing air in a soil sample, the following results were obtained. Sand equaling to 200 cubic centimeters. Water, 300 cubic centimeters. Water and sand after stirring were equaling to 450 cubic centimeters. A. 10%. B. 20%. C. 25%. D. 30%. And the answer is C. 25%. Which of the following features of an amphibian are suited for aquatic life? A. Possession of wings. B. Muscular hind limbs. C. Moist skin without scales. D. Webbed feet. And the answer is C. Moist skin without scales. Which part of the Irish potato plant is used in its vegetative reproduction? A. Stem. B. Root. C. Leaf. D. Flower. And the answer is A. Stem. Which parts of the alimentary canal is starch digested? A. Small intestines and the mouth. B. Mouth and duodenum. C. Duodenum and stomach. D. Mouth and stomach. And the answer is B. Mouth and duodenum. Lack of iodine in the human diet causes A. Anemia. B. Scurvy. C. Goiter. D. Rickets. And the answer is C. Goiter. Of the following farming practices would control soil erosion? A. Application of artificial fertilizers. B. Addition of composite manure. C. Terracing. D. Mixed farming. And the answer is C. Terracing. Which one of the following maintains transpiration stream in flowering plants? A. Capillarity. B. Osmosis. C. Diffusion. D. Active transport. And the answer is B. Osmosis. One of the following layers of the skin used by the body to retain water. A. Granular layer. B. Malpighian layer. C. Subcutaneous layer. D. Conified layer. And the answer is D. Conified layer. Of the following is not caused by estrogen? A. Healing of the uterine wall. B. Growth of the uterine wall. C. Inhibiting further secretions of the follicle-stimulating hormone. D. Causing ovulation. And the answer is D. Causing ovulation. Which one of the following increases the amount of nitrogen in the atmosphere? A. Excretion. B. Action of fungi on dead organic matter. C. Action of nitrifying bacteria. D. Action of denitrifying bacteria. And the answer is D. Action of denitrifying bacteria. The following are structures of a cell. 1. Cell wall. 2. Cell membrane. 3. Nucleus. 4. Protoplasm. Which of them are found in both plants and animals? A. 1, 2, and 4. B. 1, 3, and 4. C. 2 and 3. D. 2 and 4. And the answer is C. 2 cell membrane and 3 nucleus. Which of the following parts of the tooth contains living tissue? A. Cement. B. Pulp cavity. C. Enamel. D. Dentine. And the answer is B. Pulp cavity. Which of the following occurs during exhalation in a mammal? A. The diaphragm relaxes. B. The intercostal muscles contract. C. The volume of the chest cavity increases. D. The ribs move upwards and outwards. And the answer is A. The diaphragm relaxes. Which of the following are characteristics of surfaces for gaseous exchange? A. Large surface area, thinniness and moistening. B. Thinniness, moistness, and presence of fine blood vessels. C. Large surface area, thinniness, and presence of arteries and veins. D. Thinniness, moistness, and presence of arteries and veins. And the answer is A. Large surface area, thinniness, and moistness. Hello friends, thank you very much for participating in Biology Boss MCQ Part 3. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.